Hey guys, Daren Goldin from Goldin Solar. Welcome to another episode of The Green Stuff. Today we're going to be pimping out Albert's Tesla with a couple of aftermarket products. So the way it works is like this. You wait 2 years on the wait list, you get a Tesla Model 3, you're super excited, you're driving around the roads, you've got the only one that you've seen, you feel super special, super unique, and all of a sudden they start popping up everywhere, and that's actually a good thing because, you know, it's great for people to convert to electric cars and take off fossil fuel cars off the road, but you still want to have that special uniqueness. And so we're going to be adding a whole bunch of things to the Tesla Model 3 to make it unique, to make it special.
Yeah, I'm very excited to see what you have in stock for me and start unpackaging.
So let's do it. We're going to start out with Max Spider floor mats, all-weather mats. This is the one all the forums are going crazy about. This is the one that its aesthetic really matches that sleek, minimalist, modern style of the Tesla Model 3. We've got this kit right here. This is going to be flare kit made out of LED lights. We're gonna put in this chemical guys all interior cleaner. We're gonna change out your current finish on your center console with a carbon fiber center console replacement. We've got the first aid kit. We've got just about anything you're gonna need. So you're ready for battle. You got puddle lights under the door. The idea there is you open up the door and you want to make sure that you're not walking into a puddle. That's why they call them puddle lights. Right now it's just a regular light. We're going to change them with Tesla branded puddle lights. So you've got a pretty sweet looking Tesla picture projected onto the floor when you open up the door. This is a diffuser, stainless steel. It matches the sill on the driver's side door. Okay. So basically you're going to drip some oil into here. And it's going to basically make the car smell nice. Here's a 128 gigabyte flash drive. So we're going to connect the flash drive into the car. We have a folder called Tesla Cam. It's going to turn the built-in cameras into the car into a dash cam.
Wow. Basically,
somebody somewhere in an internet forum said, hey, like the car has a whole bunch of cameras built into it. How do we make those cameras function as dash cams? And Elon Musk was like, hold my beer. So basically they waved the magic wands. They came out with version 9 of the software, and they said, okay, all you have to do is take a flash drive, create a folder called Tesla Cam, plug it in, and now you can utilize the onboard cameras as a dash cam.
That's awesome.
We've got these USB splitters because when we're going to convert your charger to a wireless charger, we're still going to want to leave 2 USB spaces available so that you can plug in a USB drive and utilize the Tesla dash cam feature.
Thought of everything.
We got microfiber towels. This is to clean the interior. This is from the chemical guys. This is definitely where you want to buy all the supplies for cleaning the car, interior and exterior. We've got waffle pattern towel, same source, chemical guys. This is for drying your towel after you're getting touch-free car washes. Awesome. Here, you hold this stuff. This is going to be a center console organizer. Sounds silly, but once you start piling all this stuff into there, it's going to keep it nice and clean. Survival kit.
There's more, guys.
Survival kit. Get your flashlight. Get your pen to break the window in case of an emergency. Cut the seatbelt. Whistle, stuff like that. This is a pretty sweet little microfiber and spray all in one. This is to clean the screen. This is a smaller version of that same bottle for the interior cleaning. This is the one you're going to keep in the car. You got a red light. You got a smudge on the seats. You're done. You clean it. So earlier we showed the diffuser. All right, the oil diffuser. This is what we're actually going to put into it. Eucalyptus oil. When you get into your car, it's going to smell like a spa. Okay, it's going to be sweet to drive.
My favorite scent.
And then these are some clear vinyl wraps for the aluminum sill on the driver's side and the passenger side of the door.
Is all this going to fit in the car?
So we got a whole bunch of stuff, and let's get it put in.
Let's do it. Get to work, guys. Thank you.
Tricked out your Tesla. We put in some door sill protectors, center console wrap, wireless charger, USB drive to allow you to utilize your dash cam in its fullest. We got you some cleaning products, some first aid stuff. So your car is officially tricked out. Here's your key.
Thank you so much, man. I'm super excited. Can't wait.
Enjoy.
Thank you for pimping my ride, Daren.
Yeah.
So the Tesla Model 3 by Daren Goldin.
Enjoy.
Strongly recommended. Thank you so much. Welcome back, guys. Episode 3. So we're finally 2 weeks after Daren has officially pimped my ride, and let me tell you, it's been a hell of a 2 weeks. I'm really enjoying all the new features on the car. It's a different experience. Thank you, Daren. Thank you, Goldin Solar, and I'm so proud to be part of the team.